How to loop a YouTube video on Android. This tutorial shows you how to keep any video playing on repeat using a simple playlist trick. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device and find the video you want to loop. After that, tap the Save button below the video to open the save options. From there, tap on New Playlist at the bottom to create a dedicated playlist for looping. At this point, enter a title for your playlist. Something simple like Loop works perfectly, and tap Create to save it. In the next step, tap on the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Following this, tap on Playlists to find the one you just created, and tap on it to open it. Once done, tap on the video inside the playlist to start playing it. From here, keep in mind that by default, YouTube does have an autoplay option, which automatically moves to the next video once one ends. But since this playlist only has one video in it, it will simply keep looping that same video over and over automatically. Finally, if you ever want to add more videos to loop, just go back to any video, tap Save, and add it to the same playlist you created. And that's it. If this guide helped you loop a YouTube video on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.